Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the TurboTax not loading problem in just a few minutes. Yeah, if the page is stuck, blank, or taking forever to load, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to finish your taxes, but most of the time it's actually a quick fix once you go through a few simple steps. So first, check your internet connection. TurboTax needs a stable and fast connection to load properly, so if your Wi-Fi is slow or keeps disconnecting, that could easily be the reason behind the issue. Next, try refreshing the page or restarting the app. Yeah, sometimes it's just a temporary glitch, and a simple reload can fix everything instantly without doing anything complicated. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored data can sometimes cause loading problems, so clearing it helps the site load fresh and properly. Now, if that doesn't work, try switching to a different browser. Some browsers may have compatibility issues, and using another one can quickly solve the problem. And yeah, also disable any VPN or browser extensions you're using. These can sometimes block or slow down the connection, which prevents TurboTax from loading correctly. Another important thing is to check if TurboTax servers are down. During peak times, the system can be slow or temporarily unavailable, which can affect loading. So yeah, those are the most effective ways to fix the TurboTax not loading problem. In most cases, these steps should get everything working again in just a few minutes. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.